You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word correctly. An interesting word this is. Let's break it down. Expatiate. Yes, I know, the spelling makes it really confusing. Expatiate. Now, some may say it as expatiate or expatiate. So the first syllable might have slightly different pronunciations, as an E sound or an E sound or a sound. Expatiate. But the rest of it is expatiate. How to pronounce expatiate. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.